lot of guys have loops between their eyes like this, and in that situation it's best to just directly connect to the Pelican and lift the bag out that way.
Oh yeah, look at that, that's sweet.
Some guys have one bag that has the loops, and then they have their next bag that doesn't have it. So they're trying to pick two bags and have an unbiased load. In that situation, we have to use a sling, or if they don't have this loop at all, then we're going to use our sling. We've got a couple of options that we're working on right now, which is a double leg clip. Essentially, we give it to them. They run it through their bag eyes. They're usually doing two bags at a time. So they'll go this set through one bag, this set through the other bag, and then they're bringing the eyes up, flipping them here, and then taking the ring and clipping it here. And then when we trip it, we're releasing the bag, and we pull this through, disconnect it here, and then hand this back to them for the next bag ready to go. We never have to disconnect the Pelican. Some of the other guys, they can do it with one. Their bags are like right next to each other. So they're taking one of these, running it through all 4 or 8, whatever it is, and then same thing. They're just using one line instead of a pair of legs. Coming up, clipping that eye in here, and then clipping this on here. And then same deal, when we trip it, just disconnect this and give it back to them. So far this is the best system. Before we started off just running through the bag and having them do both through here. Without the T-ring, just 2 eyes and then tripping it out here. The problem with that is we end up with this loose line and I keep throwing them in the fish hole. So we end up losing a bunch of lines. So this system isn't good. We have to have a way to positively lock this line onto the Pelican, disconnect it, and give it back to them. These ears don't need to be here. We could do it on the back side like this if we had a different style or a bigger hook. Our absolute favorite is when they have 2 of these on each one and they go just directly into the Pelican, and then we don't have to do this exchange of line at all. We just throw them on there, trip them, bag stump out, and everything's good.